to be when you grow up?
I don't know.
Well, what do you like to do now? Do you like to draw? Do you like to paint? Go ahead and see. What can you create? Do you like to sing? Do you like to run? Go ahead and try. It'll be a lot of fun. What is the thing you do? You could do lots of different things if you want to. What is the thing you do? You could do lots of different things if you want to. Do you like to write? Do you play a sport? I'll see you at the basketball court. Do you like to spell? Just try and see. You could be the winner of the next spelling bee. What is the thing you do? You could do lots of different things if you want to. What is the thing you do? You could do lots of different things if you want to. We're often told, don't say the thing, so say the thing I do.
I do.
Your thing could be anything that you want to do.
Woo!
Be sesquipedalian, magnanimous and true.
And true.
Excogitate, work hard at it, and you're...
Happy with your light, you are gold, you shine so bright, a golden ray. You're my sunshine. Unicorn Jazz, I'm so glad you're my friend. Unicorn Jazz, our fun will never end.
Our fun will never end? I think it's just beginning.
That's right, be happy.
That's called the Unicorn Jazz Friendship Song.
Where do I find it?
Oh, that song can be found on all platforms. Spotify, on YouTube, on iTunes, and unicornjazz.com.
If you're friends with Unicorn Jazz, dance and sing with me.
Being happy is making up silly words.
Being happy is making a wish on your birthday.
Happy birthday. Being happy is writing a thoughtful letter. Oh yes, I am Penelope and I like to write.
Being happy is painting something new. I love painting.
Being happy is giving someone a balloon. Oh yes, I know I want a balloon. I think I want more than one balloon, especially when it's my birthday. What about you?
Being happy is walking on the beach and finding a shell on the beach. I love finding shells. Shell, 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 shell. Whoop.
Being happy is
Dancing with your friends.
la 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 la. Oh yeah, we love to dance. Oh yeah, dance with me. Okay. For the rest of our Being Happy pages, you can go to unicornjazz.com. You can also get your own Being Happy kit and tell us or tell someone you know what makes you happy. Adios! Our book is also available in Spanish and it's called Abejita Feliz, also available on Amazon. Now go and be happy.
Well, good morning. Welcome to the Thing I Do show. Wasn't that a great intro song? Love it. Also, the Be Happy book. Love that. Being happy with your light and being happy is all part of this show. Now, what I want to show is talk to you a little bit. I first want to say thank you. Thank you for Lisa drawing my name in the sand. Check it out, Dr. Chris. I've been getting a lot of emails about marine life, and one of the marine life emails I've been getting is asking about sea turtles. So What I have a friend of mine that is a close friend of Crush the Sea Turtle. It's kind of like him. He and I got together and made a video about sea turtles. I think you're going to like it. The video is called Graceful Gliding Green Sea Turtles, and it gives you a little information about green sea turtles. Well, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy the show today.
Hey dudes, green sea turtles are the largest species of sea turtle. They can live to be over 100 years old, grow to 3 feet long, and get this, they can weigh 300 to 400 pounds. Unlike other sea turtles, the green sea turtle can't pull its head or limbs inside its shell. These turtles are found nesting in the coastline warm waters. Green sea turtles spend most of their lives underwater, but hey, they do breathe air. They gotta come up every so often. They can live 5 hours underwater before breathing. The adult green sea turtles, they eat seaweed and seagrass. Scientists believe that these green foods give the turtles their green color. Sea turtle can get overgrown with algae on its shell, but they pull up to a reef and the fish come out and clean them. Green sea turtles migrate long distances. They can migrate as far as 1,600 miles. They have strong paddle-like flippers to propel them through the water. Female green sea turtles, they have to leave the water to lay their eggs on the beach. They will choose the same nesting beach where they were born to lay their eggs. She will dig out a nest, lay about 100 eggs or more, then she'll cover the eggs with sand and return to the sea. After about 2 months, the eggs are gonna hatch. These little dudes will pop out. They're about 2 inches long. These newly hatched little guys, but they gotta get back to the water. It's the most dangerous time for a little turtle. They are often being hunted by other animals. Birds, fish, crabs, even raccoons and foxes will eat them as they move from their nest to the sea. The adult turtles, they're also threatened, primarily from humans. They get injured from boat propellers, being caught in fishing nets, pollution, and fishing. Hey, the green sea turtle is a beautiful animal that lives in our oceans. Let's take care of our oceans and take care of these green sea turtles. Later.
Hello, boys and girls. This is Unicorn Jack, and we're broadcasting live from Huntington Beach, newsroom of Happiness News. Welcome to have you aboard. Today we have a very special guest. We're going to interview Penelope. Welcome, Penelope, to the Happiness News. We're so glad you could come on the show today.
Thank you for having me, Jack. I love Happiness News. I tell everybody about it.
Yeah, we've been getting a lot of phone calls and emails about who's this new star Penelope. We're seeing her all over the internet, all over social media. What can you tell us about yourself?
Just a few months ago, I was all alone and isolated. That's what isolated means. My other twin sock was missing, so I was put aside for so long, Jack, I cannot even tell you.
I think all the best sock puppets do have a missing twin somewhere.
Yes, and then something magical happened, Jack. Something magical happened.
What was the magic? Teach us the magic.
Yes, one day someone thought I could be special. They put some eyes on me and some pink rose petals for hair, and I came alive. And then I started being on Unicorn Jazz's The Thing I Do, co-hosting along Lisa Caprelli, because, you know, she's kind of shy.
I can see that of you. Beautiful story, Penelope.
Thank you. So now I encourage so many other boys and girls around the world to go make their puppet.
There's always a sock somewhere. Look deep in the drawer. Look under the couch.
Someone somewhere would be willing to donate a sock. I mean, how many socks do go unused in the world? Just think about that. There should be a sock puppet movement.
What are you happy about, Penelope?
I'm very happy that I get to be creative and create so many ideas, art, picture books. I get to speak to all kinds of people with all kinds of talent all over the world. And that could be you. What is the thing you do? So if you're out there and you have something special that you can share, think about when you were in first grade, or if you are in first grade, think about what you can share to make everyone happy about you. I'm Penelope. Thank you. I'm happy to come back on your happiness news show, Jack.
Well, thank you, Penelope. That was wonderful. Really love what you had to say. Kids around the world are going to be so inspired, and hopefully they bring you their pop socket? Pop socket? Whirr! Sock puppet.
Hello, boys and girls and kids of all ages. I am back. It's Penelope. Yes, it's me. So we're about to present some fun puppets.
Hola, tengo hambre.
Okay, dame.
¿Qué es eso?
Un cheddar de dulce.
Dulce. Ñam, 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 ñam. Gracias.
There once was a Papa Chimp who had a pair of socks. They were brothers. One of the socks said to Papa Chimp, "Papa, give me half of your stuff for being your sock." And Papa Chimp gave him half of his stuff to one sock, and the other half to the other sock. It wasn't long until one of the socks gathered all he had and took a journey into the far country, under the couch, and there he spent all of Papa Chimp's stuff on himself. It was very wasteful, and eventually he ran out of stuff. He found himself in a sad and difficult situation and began to get really, really dirty. He longed to be washed, but he was lost. But when he came to his senses, he said, "How many of my Papa Chimp's clothes get washed and I remain here dirty? I will arise and go to Papa Chimp and say to him, 'Papa, I am dirty and no longer worthy to be called your sock. You don't have to ever wear me again, but please, please just wash me and don't throw me away.'" And he rose and went to Papa Chimp. But while he was still a long way off, Papa Chimp saw him and felt compassion, and ran and embraced and kissed him. Papa Chimp ordered that he be washed right away and that he receive everything he needs to be clean again. Let's celebrate. Now, the other sock heard about this and was upset and refused to celebrate. Papa Chimp came to him and asked what was wrong. The clean sock said, "Look, I've stayed here for so many years and I never ran away or wasted your stuff. Yet you never threw a celebration for me. But when this sock of yours came back, you celebrate. That's messed up." And Papa Chimp said to him, "Sock, you are always with me, and all that is mine is yours. It was fitting to celebrate and be glad, for your brother Sock was lost, but now he is found." The end.
This is a story about a man named Samson. He had the gift of strength. There were 3 things he could never ever do. Number 1 was he could never cut his hair. Number 2 was he could not touch any dead animals. Number 3 was he could never drink alcohol. He ends up breaking the 3 rules. He lost his strength in front of a crowd. He asked for forgiveness and received his strength back, but sadly, he died.
K-I-N-D, we will be
this is Kevin Boozer, Mr. Library Man SC here, reading some books and sharing some kindness from our home in South Carolina. My puppets here with me. I have Willy and I have Eddie, and we are brothers, and we help at his schools. Ruben and Whitmire, we sure do. And we have to share our time on the screen. Yeah, and we share our time with Mr. Library Man. And it's good to be kind at this time. We love you. Thank you for having us. Bye. Bye. K-I-N-D, we will be kind in our library.
I like to write. I wake up at 4. Keep up with me. Hey, let's do more. Come 12 o'clock, I've done a lot. All so important to me. Working hard for husband, kids, and family. Cooking, cleaning, leading. Librarians, teachers, schools. All Unicorn Jazz team for students. All for 5 hats. Family, friendship, career, connection, adventure. That's who I am. I'm Lisa Caprelli. Tell me who you are. The average child's attention span is 3 to 5 minutes for each year of their age. When it comes to literacy and learning, you have to get creative in order to keep kids engaged. Puppets are the perfect tool to make reading fun. Books are better when they are read with energy, exciting tones, and funny voices. Even if you're a shy reader, a puppet can become your alter ego. Kids use their imagination to separate the real speaker from the puppet. So grab a sock, a few buttons, whatever you like, and bring your new puppet friend to life. Thanks to our friend, Kayana Martinez, mom, teacher, and founder of the Storytime Box.
Guys, welcome back to another one of my videos, and today I am here with a special guest, my mom. And make sure you go follow her at A Sailor's Wife blog. And so today, together we are going to make finger puppets and punch ruler or
Hole puncher.
a hole puncher, a ruler, glue.
Oh, and
Pencils or
markers.
Markers.
And we need black and blue. So, the first thing we're gonna do is we want to cut out the pieces of the body. So
we already cut those.
You guys can see punching the holes into the zebra body. So let's go ahead.
I just finished the neck.
Show them the neck. He's coming out so cute.
He's actually looking like a zebracorn. Okay,
All done. Here's
complete zebracorns.
And so, of course, we have to play with them because why else do you make puppets? Okay, so. They're so cute. And this is how you make a zebracorn. Thank you so much, Lisa Caprelli, for giving us this opportunity to do this unicorn Zebracorn with you. We appreciate you guys checking in and watching us while we're doing it. Hope you guys like them. Bye!